Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody is doing well. Alright guys, so this is a surprise because I don't usually do it, but we have some spoilers for the Yes Oh Yes July box. Now these are going to be 2 palettes, and I'm not exactly sure if it's just going to be 1 palette that's going to be in the boxes, or it's going to be a variation of the 2 palettes. I'm not exactly sure, and as soon as they announce that, I will update you guys. But first things first, the first palette is the Beauty Creations Splash of Hues palette. Now, if you remember, I put a video out a while back because they did post this palette on their Instagram, and I knew it was going to be in a future box. I just didn't know what month to tell you guys. So we know it's not going to be in the June box, but it will be in the July box. And like I said, I don't know if both of these are going to be variation palettes or it's just going to be one of them, because on their Instagram they posted which palette you wanted in July. So that doesn't really tell us much. But again, I will keep you guys updated. Now the other palette is another Beauty Creations palette, and it's called the Annette 69 and Beauty Creations Collab palette. This is absolutely gorgeous, and this palette actually hasn't even been out yet. It launches June the 6th. So I'm really surprised that they're putting a brand new palette that's just newly launched in their boxes. That's pretty cool. So which one would you guys pick? Comment below. And also guys, if you have not tried out Yes Oh Yes, I do have a code for you. It is Self-Taught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That is for 10% off of your first box. If you want to check them out, they are linked below in my description box. Go check them out. And as always guys, make sure your bell is turned on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That just shows me which videos you are enjoying and if I need to adjust anything on my channel. And also guys, one more tiny favor before you leave. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.